I'm excited to share this handmade pochade box I just finished. It's A3 size and made entirely from high-quality wood. It's designed for artists who love painting on the go. With a 6-inch height, it has enough space to store your brushes, paints, and palette inside. You can mount your canvas or paper right on top and start painting comfortably anywhere, anytime. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and gives you a complete mini studio. Whether you're into plein air painting or working from home, this pochade box makes your creative life so much easier. If you're interested in getting one for yourself or gifting it to an artist, just send me a message. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and follow for more creative woodwork.